Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to prevent switching to different camera lenses while video recording in iPhone and iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you. So let me open the camera application. So right now you can see. So let me select the video recording firstly. So now let me try to record. So I'm recording and you can see below here 1x and 0.5x. So let me try to choose two different camera lenses while video recording. So you can see I can choose two different camera lenses right now. So there is no option to either locked on a particular camera lenses right now. So for this what you need to do is just open the settings and just click on this camera option. Now just click on this record video option. Now just scroll down below. Now we'll see here one option, lock camera. Just turn it on. So now just minimize it. Now let us try to reopen the camera application and let us select the video recording again. So let me try to record a video. So I'm recording right now. So let me try to choose to the different lenses. You can see it's grayed out. That means it's locked on a respective lens which I have selected before video recording. So finally we have prevent switching to different camera lenses. So by using these cool tricks you can easily prevent switching to different camera lenses while video recording in iPhone and iPad devices very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.